So today I'm going to do a quick review on an 80-watt plastic welding kit from Harbor Freight. Here's the item number. And I've got some plastic welding to do on my car dash. And let's take a look at this thing, see if it works all right. Well, let's see what it's got in it. Okay, well, it's got the welding rod, soldering iron, stainless steel brush, instructions, stainless steel wire, and the stand for it. Let's give it a shot. So I just plugged it in. Yep, it's definitely heating up. Lights on. And I'm going to test this to see if this plastic is meltable. Well, just testing it on the back side of this, it looks like it will melt. Alright, so let's see if we can plastic weld this thing together. After fiddling with that thing, which seemed like forever, I decided to take the mesh, melt it into the one side of it, and now I'm bringing it over and melting that other side into the other piece. And that will at least allow me to be able to do this without having three hands. As I see this melting, the mesh melting into the surrounding plastic, I know this is going to work well. I like that so far. Now guys, I know you can't see this, but I'm going to put another piece back here. Now when I say another piece, I mean another piece of the mesh. I'm going to mesh that in across the crack. I just tacked those two up there because I'm going to have to go grab a third hand. So for the other side. So let me see if I can get this thing tacked in. Okay. So far, dudes, actually really digging this. All right, onward. And now a little stuff from the other side. Oh, everything's in the way. Now, one of the things that I've seen on YouTube videos about this iron is that the iron tip of it will bend. So what I'm doing is I'm just using very light pressure and letting the heat melt everything and push it in. And by the way, this stuff, oh, it smells like a skunk's butt. So, yikes. Okay, and now let's do the finishing touches with the welding rod. And once again, I'm just letting the iron melt it. I'm not pushing it hard on there because I don't want to bend my the end of it, bend the tip of it like I've seen other guys do. So once again, I'm just kind of lightly pressing, letting it melt in, and using it like hot glue around there. And it's working very well. Also, later on when I continue, I use a respirator because this stuff smells horrible. And not only smelling bad, it can't be good for you smelling plastic smoke. Well, here's what the weld looks like. You can see that JB weld on the inside. And here's the other side of that. It's got that steel reinforcement in it. Let's see if we can get you around to this side. And so guys, this is solid. I don't know what a professional soldering iron or plastic welding that is kit would be and how it would do, but for me, working on my car, this worked like a champ. So if you're looking for a cheap way to fix some plastic, I would go with this. I like it a lot. So overall, I love it. I don't know what a real good machine is like or anything, but for the stuff I'm doing around the house here, I give this plastic welder 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.